Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable ice makers, the Frigidaire and the Igloo. Both machines boast a daily ice production capacity of 26 pounds, making them ideal for parties, RVs, and small kitchens. In this video, we will delve into their features, design, and performance to help you choose the best option for your needs. Let's get started. The Frigidaire ice maker features a sleek stainless steel design that adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen, while the Igloo model, made of black plastic, is ultra-compact and perfect for small spaces. Both designs cater to different aesthetic preferences and practical needs. Both machines produce 26 pounds of ice per day, but the Frigidaire makes 9 bullet-shaped cubes every 7 minutes, while the Igloo produces 8 cylinder-shaped cubes in 7 to 8 minutes. Additionally, the Igloo's self-cleaning feature simplifies maintenance, making it a great choice for those who prefer low upkeep. The Frigidaire ice maker offers a digital LED control panel with 2 ice size options, providing more user control. In contrast, the Igloo features a simple single-button operation with LED indicators, making it easy to use but with limited options. Depending on your preference for control versus simplicity, each model has its advantages. In conclusion, both the Frigidaire and Igloo ice makers have their unique strengths. If you prioritize design and ice capacity, the Frigidaire might be the better choice. However, if you value compactness and ease of maintenance, the Igloo is an excellent option. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.